Yeah, you're doing good. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, like that. A little over. Mm-hmm. Okay. Keep it going like that. Nice and easy. Get it right. Okay. A little bit more over there. Yeah. Good. You're doing good, guys. It's gonna be all right. Yeah. Nice work. How those bricks coming over there? Got everything you need? Okay. Hey, move. Can you move that over there? Okay. Hey, Bobby, how you doing? How's the wife? Let's have a picnic sometime with the family, the kids. Yeah. Okay, see you later. Bye. Yeah. That's great. Perfect. Great job. Okay, guys.
GPS signal lost.
Lunch. Lunchtime. Are those filaments for the land forges? Are they ready yet?
Let's see. We got 6 mounds to the northeast. There's a wet swamp patch there. We're gonna want to clear. We're gonna stay clear of that.
So we'll keep the lines clear of those.
I got 64 lines. That's probably the best way to go.
Yeah. How many yards is that?
It's 39. It's 39 yards that way. I'm sure.
There are 6 mounds we have to route underneath to connect with the central complex.
Yeah, that's right.
That's 39 yards and 64 lines. How much is 39 times 64?
2,496.
Who said that?
Or what is that?
Holy mackerel. What? Oh.
Hey!
This construction site is a direct violation of order.
Hey, you can't be. Excuse me, sir, you can. Excuse me, sir.
later.
So, you're one of those Dan Gregory people, right?
He is allied with us, I would say.
You know, you guys, you talk a lot about justice, defenders of the weak. But you know what? You're really against them. You know, you claim to be gods, but the one true God is Jesus the Christ, the God of suffering and sacrifice, who died on the cross for our sins. Everything in the universe follows in the footsteps of Christ. Though we do a lot of harm to the weak, we follow the instructions, we are in obedience to our communities and institutions. You know, it's the way of our ancestors. It's just how things have always been. Those who fight for justice are fighting for themselves. It's only through acceptance that anything good will come. By giving them the ability to retaliate, you set them up to fail.
So then you are refusing to comply. Now to attend